Hey Scrappers, it's Vanessa, and today I have a layout for SpiegelMom Scraps. And for the month of April, we are partnering with Waffle Flower, and Waffle Flower creates different metal dies and stamps, and they have lots of things to create sequin shakers. And so for my layout today, I did go ahead and choose the circle leaf shaker die, and you saw at the beginning of the video the two shakers that I created. What's great about these dies that create shakers, they do all the work for you, so you get the backer piece cut perfectly sized, and you get that beautiful, in this case, floral or leaf wreath kind of design, and it is super easy to put a sequin pocket together. And so for my pockets, I am using the tumbleweed sequins that were released for the month of April, and they are beautiful. And so those are what is going to be my main embellishment for this page. And so to start out with, I have a piece of green cardstock that's going to frame my layout. And then my main piece of pattern paper is that paper by Pink Fresh. That's going to be my background. And then I'm going to take that floral paper, which I want to say is a Jen Hatfield, if I remember correctly. And I just went ahead and tore the bottom of that, and that is going to be the main pattern paper on this page. I backed my photo with just a scrap of pattern paper from my scrap bin. And so once I have that all in place, I have just a little ephemera piece that I put behind my photo. My title is going to partly be on top of that, and then my sequin shakers are going to go on either side of my photo just to really kind of frame everything. I'm keeping everything along that same line that the floral paper follows on the page, so everything's kind of contained there more toward the top of the layout. This whole design is super simple. I really wanted the focus to be on the photo and those sequin shaker pockets, really drawing your attention to the photo in the middle. And I really love how it turned out. That sequin mix is beautiful. It has greens and teals and blues, and then it has a little pop of this sort of orangey peach color, which is just beautiful. And I thought that those colors paired with that floral pattern paper really kind of made everything kind of just stand out, and it just gave the perfect pop to the page and a perfect sparkle. And so once I have the design down, I'm just putting in my title, which is just going to be Simple Days. It's a photo of my daughter, and she's just playing on the Xbox, and so just a cute little photo of her. So once I had the title down and all the papers down, I did go ahead and go off camera and glued everything down. I didn't feel like after I glued everything down that it needed a little bit something extra, so I did go ahead and tear another piece of that pattern paper, and I turned it over to get that diagonal stripe in the rainbow, and it just added just the perfect extra pop to the page. Now I also added a few acrylic stars to each of my embellishment clusters. That again just gave a little extra texture, a little extra dimension, a little extra interest to the embellishment clusters. And then to finish it off, I am just adding some sequins in amongst my clusters, and that is pretty much going to wrap up this page. I will in just a moment go ahead and add some white ink splatters, again just for that added texture and just to kind of bring everything together and pull both embellishment clusters together. And so once I have that done, you will see the still photos. They're going to be coming up here in just a sec. So be on the lookout this month for everyone on the SpiegelMom Designs team to work with their favorite Waffle Flower products and see what they create this month. I'm sure there'll be tons of inspiration, tons of projects, and so be on the lookout for those. I will also have in the link down below in the description box the link to the shop. You can always use Vanessa15 and grab yourself a little bit of a discount. It works on everything but the pre-ordered sequins, since those are already marked down. But yeah, it's great if you have these dies, to go ahead and create some fun shakers for your projects. And so with that, guys, the still photos are coming up next, and I will catch you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.